This is a tiny drumstick.
What goes well with lemon and salt?
Tequila.
Bing!
It tastes like It tastes like trust me.
So the next one we're going to be trying is some Thailand candy. We're quite familiar with this candy as we've tried a mangosteen flavored candy and mango flavored candy. But this is new. Our friend actually gave us some.
Bing.
Bing.
You know Bing, right?
From our previous video.
What is a mangosteen?
It's a fruit.
Mangosteen? Then what's a mango?
It's another fruit.
Is part of the same thing?
No.
Mangosteen. If I have a daughter, I'm going to name her Mangosteen. Mangosteen.
So this is how this one looks. It's really cute, I think. It's just wrapped in paper.
It's like a little toffee. It's actually called toffee, right? Coconut toffee.
Yeah.
And mango toffee.
toffee.
So this is how it looks here. Inside looks like this.
It's actually really tasty.
Coconut one, right? Here we go.
Mango. What's going on?
I don't really like the flavor.
If you like coconut water or eating coconut, fresh coconut, this is like perfect for you. It tastes like real coconut and I think it's really delicious. So for both of these products, I'm going to give it a 10 because it's so delicious. It's toffee, it tastes really good. It tastes exactly how it says it's going to taste, like coconut toffee, mango toffee. And it says 100% good taste.
For the mango one, I would give it maybe a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I really like this. It tastes really good. Packaging is wonderful, and I'm not really a mango eater either, but this here was really nice and soft. For the coconut one, I didn't really like, so maybe the coconut one I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Yeah, 6 out of 10, because I'm not a fan of coconut. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be trying is coconut ice. So hopefully this tastes like fake coconut, because I like fake coconut taste, right?
But unfortunately for you, they have a picture of real coconuts on this side. I'm actually really excited and I picked this, right?
You picked almost everything.
Kawaii.
Okay, so when we open it, it looks something like this. Okay. So when you look at it, you don't really know what flavor is inside. Mom always said, life is like a box of chocolate. Never know what you're gonna get.
I'm gonna try a pinkish looking one.
I like these two.
Oh, that's so weird.
Sorry. The one I have is some chocolate. It has chocolate in it, yeah. Look. What do you have?
Strawberry.
Really? Wanna swap? Let's swap. Inside is really nice chocolate. Okay, let's try this one. This is really good. It's almost got like a coconut cake type flavor, right? Coconut cake and some icing almost inside, but the flavor is not like total icing.
It's not sweet, it's perfect actually.
It's lovely. I really like the snap. For the flavor, I think maybe for me 8 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Could have been a little bit better.
And it's also nice to give as a gift to somebody, I think. if you just want to do something nice, huh? What flavor is that?
So the next thing we're going to be trying is Kitkats.
Although Kitkat can be found almost anywhere, this flavor of these ones really intrigued me. It was really interesting because I haven't seen them before. Even when we went to Japan and we tried those Kitkats, they didn't have these flavors. So this is a mini caramel.
And this is a mini cookies and cream.
Okay, so I'm a big fan of caramel. I love caramel. Oh, let's try these Kitkats out and see how they are. Right? It's a mini one, so it's like a single. It's smaller than a single. The smell is disgusting.
Really?
For some reason, the smell is disgusting of this
Can I
caramel one. Oh God. Oh, your one also smells terrible. Maybe it went off. Let's eat it quickly. Oh no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. This tastes It tastes like It tastes like Presley. I don't want it, no. Mini caramel flavored Kit Kat. What were you thinking when you made this? I can't even describe the taste. It tastes like when you throw up in your mouth and then you swallow it again. This is how this thing. It tastes disgusting. You try this one, I'll try this. So, you know if I'm overreacting, right? If she eats, then she doesn't like it. So let me try this one. So, okay.
I can't eat this.
Okay, the loser eats it, right? Another sule, kai gai bo, kai gai. Something came out of my mouth. Another sule, kai gai bo. I won. You lose. Go eat.
So the caramel flavor, I felt that they didn't use real caramel. They used like maybe a syrup or some terrible thing. It was really bad. For the cookies and cream, I give it maybe a 5. It wasn't like amazing chocolate. It was pretty average.
It really didn't taste like the way Kit Kat normally tastes, right? For the caramel, 0 out of 10. Actually, -1 out of 10. The lowest of all time. -1 out of 10.
I would not recommend that to my worst enemy, so
But you are my worst enemy.
I would recommend it.
Hadouken!
What the hell, dude? Okay, so the next thing we're going to be trying is Pandan Mochi Candy. I don't know who picked this, but it looks...
I know, pick this.
Who?
Mr. Pandan. Pandan milk candy is very nice. Everyone need it. And this is how it looks here.
So it's a very basic packaging and wrapper. There's no writing on it.
Usually when a product is locally produced, it has really simple packaging. Yeah, so let's try it out. Smell? Oh wow. I don't like them. Fresh. This is gonna break my teeth. What I think about it is, if you don't want to go to the dentist and if you want to save some money to extract some teeth, this one is it. This is the one. Yeah, you get this here, you bite it, your teeth is gone. It's too hard to eat, it's too sticky, and I don't think it's good for your teeth. This thing was rubbish. I don't like it.
I don't know where I stand with this because it's tasty, it has lots of flavor, but it's hard to chew.
Okay, so give it a rating out of 10. What do you give?
I think I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Maybe they can improve.
Okay, for me, I think for teeth extraction, 10 out of 10. For taste, I don't think the taste is that bad, but the stickiness and the texture of it, it's not good. Maybe 0 out of 10. So in total, I think I would give it 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10 for being fair. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video on the Search for Everything channel. Don't forget to leave a comment for us for things of what you like us to try next.
And which countries you would like us to visit next.
Yes, because she's gonna be paying for it. Yes.